LeadsLeap. It's Basi here today with another video on LeadsLeap. Okay. LeadsLeap, this is a company that has been around since 2008, and I have been around for some time, but I had never had any idea about this company, LeadsLeap. Okay. So, but I saw some people talking about it on YouTube, and I was just wondering, what is it all about? I was so curious about it. What is it all about? I would like to know more about it, you know. And I went on YouTube, did some, I just checked, and they were talking about creating capture pages, use it for internet marketing and other stuff like that. But I already have a company that I use for creating my capture pages. So in case you're watching this video and you don't understand what I'm talking about, capture pages, I'm referring to an online tool that you use for running an online business. It's usually basically used for creating pages that you use for getting leads. I'll show you an example. This is an example of a capture page. Okay, you see, this, like on this capture page, I'm offering a free report. Okay, that teaches you on how to get viral traffic online to build a business. Okay, and the only way you can get traffic is that you need to have a funnel. Another name for a capture page you could say, yeah, a funnel comes with a capture page and a landing page and a sales page. So, this is a capture page. Okay, and I'll show you some other stuff as well. So, and I've been using other tools online to build an online business, but this is so wonderful. This is unique. If you check up there, it says get your free membership. In fact, this tool is 100% free, and anyone can use it. It doesn't matter wherever you are in any part of the world. You can use LeadsLeap to create stunning capture pages. Now, let's see what the website is saying. We are giving you a free lifetime membership. Okay, to do what we did, it says with this is what you can get. You can get traffic to your website, human, not bot. Okay, I'm gonna show you how that works. Real human, and I'm talking about I'm like real human who understand exactly what online business is all about. Okay, so this website works like a traffic exchange website, but not only just a traffic web exchange website, because there's so many other traffic web exchange website there that does not offer what this website is offering. Okay, so let me put my video like that. So it says you get free traffic, you get traffic, real human, and it depends. This is a free to you create a free. If you create a free account, you're still getting traffic. You also can make money by giving away this website, promoting this website, or someone signing up. Now, I came across this website just recently, and I have been getting some signups that comes from places that I don't even know, and it's coming from this website because I now track it, and I saw that everything is coming from this website, because this website now is that as people are promoting it in different other websites, various websites outside there, now there are ads that display on this website that is displaying across all over the internet. So people see it and they click on your ad. Okay, and pop in their name and their email into those capture pages, stunning capture pages that you create using this tool, and you get your leads, and your lead is collected for you. And then whatever you're offering, you're able to present that to your leads. Okay. So what you get here is not only creating those capture pages and also getting traffic, you also building a list from the list manager that is inside. Okay. So even as a free member, you create 10 different lists. You can create up to 10 different lists, and you can have unlimited subscribers. Okay. Now, if you check with other autoresponders like Aweber, um, Aweber, and then Get Respond, you know, how much they are charging, how much they are charging is like from one, say 500 to 1,000 leads, and then over 2,000 leads, 3,000 leads. They charge quite a lot. Okay, they charge quite a lot. So, and this is free, unlimited. Okay, so you create pages with a page builder, unlimited as well, and they do all the hosting, so you don't have to go get like Aweber, Namecheap, other domain hoster like that. You don't need those at all. So everything is hosted here, everything is in one place. How amazing and how cool is that? So I wish I knew this long time ago, you know. So, and then you also have exit pop-up creator. Okay, so like you, when you have your capture page, so let's say you're promoting it out there, someone wants to leave the page, and then a pop-up just come, giving them another offer. And then if that offer is captivating enough, is catchy enough, they enter their name, they enter their email, and they go through your offer. It's amazing. And then also it has tracker. I have been paying for tracker. You know, software, sometimes I pay up to $30, $50 just only to track my link so that I can understand which of the advertising platform that I'm using is effective. Okay. And you're getting that absolutely free, even as a free member. How amazing and how cool that is. And then it says make money 4 ways. Okay, some super easy ways to make money with easy leads. I mean with leads pages. Okay, so you also have and more other benefits, and you can see testimonials. There are loads of testimonials from people who have been using it. There is a link in this under this video that you're watching. You can click, and that will bring you this. I'm not asking for your name or your email whatsoever. You click on the link under there. It will bring you to this website, and you can take a look and read and see what is on the website, what is out there. Amazing, amazing website. You know, I wish I knew about this. In fact, lay your hands on this LeadsLeap pages creator. You come back and say to me, thank you very much, Basi, for making this video and talking about LeadsLeap and creating the awareness about this amazing product. So they've got the paid version. They also got the free version as well. So it's totally up to you whether you want to use a paid version or a free version. Even with the free version, you get quite a lot from this. I'm using a paid version because I just want to be able to get everything that I want to get within one place. So even with the free ones, but I think I'll give you a typical example. If you're using Leap as a free member, Now you can send your emails, but you only be able to send like one email at a time. But as a paid member, so your autoresponder, you can have like unlimited emails that they are all set up in place, and then they will be going out one after the other, depending on the days that you want them to be going out. So, and that is called automation. It makes your life far more easy. Okay. So I could go to my account and show you. So I'm here in my account. I go to the dashboard. I'm not a free member. I'm a paid member. So I've got what we call the pro account. So if I click that, I want to show you what I was talking about, getting traffic from this website. You can see on the right hand column here, these are all people's website. Okay. Now we got two different kinds of ads that are displayed here. Okay. Two different kinds of ad. I want to show you the kind of ads that we got here. We got the pro ads, which is for people who are pro, like I'm using a pro account. So with those ads, I don't have to click for any credits, but I'll still be getting traffic. People will be clicking on my ads. Possibly people who are free will be seeing my ads and will be clicking on my ads. And then you also have the credit ads where you have to click at least 10 to 20 adverts that people have been putting on this website. So you click them and then you view the ads. When you view the ads, and then you also put your own ads as well, and then people will be able to view your own ads. So I want to click um, uh, on the ad credits. So you can see 10 out of 10. So I have 10 banners there. If I scroll down, you see this is one of my ads. This is another ad. This is another ad. This is another ad. This is another ad. All these 10 banner ads displaying here. So with these ones, I have to click, okay, to get the traffic. So if I go right to the top, you see how much traffic I have been getting here, and I'll be getting signups as well. So you see that credit, I have some credit there for people to click. So I have received 184 credits, visitors, okay, to my all these banner ads that I've displayed out there. So let me click on the pro ads, okay, pro ads. So these are my pro ads. I also have 10 of 10. You can see 1,053 visitors, okay. And then you also, so if I scroll down, you see these are different ads that I have put in there, 10 different ads. So both the credit ads and the pro ad have got adverts all over the place. And I've been getting traffic, I've been getting leads. People have been popping in their name and their emails into my capture pages, and then they're landing into my autoresponder within the LeadsLeap site. So these are people's ads. It says self and earn. Okay, there are people who can also just be clicking these ads and earning some money as well. Okay, so I want to earn some credits so that will go into my marketing. Okay, so now when you click that and then you click here, it says click here to open the link. So I click, and then I'll just have to view this ad for just about 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, okay, and then they will then assign credits to me that will enable other people to be able to view. This is on the credit ads, but on the pro ad side of it, then I don't have to click anything on that side. So that's why you see I get quite a whole lot of traffic on that on the pro ads, okay, because I don't have to click anything. The ads, the traffic comes automatically. They just send them to me. So it's amazing. It's an amazing website. So if you're out there building a business or you want to build a business, these are tools that are very necessary, very essential for anyone to get for their business, for their online business, whatever it is that you're promoting. Getting a tool like this will enable you to be able to um, automate your business